Okay.
Sir, then we have to, sir, again connect it,
Which one?
the
Yeah, yeah,
orchestration.
yeah, yeah, yeah. The
You have to
app.
connect it now.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yeah. Just let me open the orchestrator first. Okay. So lot many debugging videos I have seen yesterday. Then finally I have to conclude that this inherently this academic alliance edition, because I asked other two faculties also, they are also facing the same issue. So this is basically the last part of the developer foundation course, orchestrator. So I think I will able to show one example from it. Which one? Okay. So we'll do one thing. I will create another account. Okay, just for the safety sake. Right, just to showcase you the one which I have already created yesterday. So this is also created from me. Okay, I have created previously this one. Okay, KIT University default. This one I have created long back.
Share the screen, sir.
Yes. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Oh, my bad. So what I did just to showcase the same this connection, whatever we have done yesterday, I have created a. Yes. So I have created a new account. So this is my what it is called. This is my normal Gmail. Okay. So this is my normal Gmail, right? Which I have used just to showcase you the connection, right? So here you can see that if you are going to my this thing, there was one tab was coming called process, right? That was not available because this is just by default it is coming. Okay. So here you have to go to orchestrator first, right? So I have to change all my details. So I'm starting from yesterday's class, right? So you remember the UiPath robot, okay? So you remember this one UiPath robot. I'm disconnecting it. I'll go to setting. So you do not have to do this, okay? You have already done this part. Do not have to do this. I'm just disconnecting so that I can configure from the starting, okay? Now, so if you remember, what is the first thing you did in the configuration? Hmm,
There we clicked tenant
exactly. Playing the tenant, and we have to go
and
to
then went to machines and add a new machine
add a new machine. Okay, add a
in
standard.
standard.
So what is the name? We know that name is your laptop's name, right? Correct. Then if you want to give any description, you give, or you can change. We know we got only one license for a free account, right? Then we'll click the provision. So once the provision is happened, the machine is successfully, then you can copy the key, right? This copy key will be used to connect the orchestrator to my UiPath robot. Okay, so I'll just let me paste it here, right? Then the URL is still here, remember, till the default, correct? So we will copy, paste it here, okay? Then you can uh, so you can write anything, trace information, whatever, nothing. This is useless. Okay. Just you have to connect. Okay. So connecting. Right.
Sir,
So
we will connect with the old one, na?
so whatever you have done till here you have connected, right? Last class.
Yes, yes, sir.
So I'm just showing you from the starting. Okay. You can connect to the old one, not an issue. Okay. Right. So this is showing unlicensed for us. Correct. You will see if you click the robot here, you'll see the tick means the connection is approved, but what it is saying, robot does not exist. Understand? Robot does not exist, so you have to create a robot here. Okay, so you have to go to the machine has been created, you have to go to admin here, right? You have to go to admin, Here click user and group. Understand? So this is my okay. So click go to admin, click user and groups, invite users, right? So enter an email. You can give any email. So this is to create a dummy robot. So you can give any email. It does not require it. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड, ये घर में चौकीदार बिठाने वाला सिचुएशन है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज जस्ट टू मेक ए डमी वेरिएबल हियर. ओके, सो सपोज आई एम मेकिंग सैम अंडरस्कोर, आज का डेट क्या है 17. ओके, सैम अंडरस्कोर 17 @xyz.com, राइट. Right. So this is not any so if you want to put a this thing matlab, original email also you can put it. You will get a email from UiPath that you have been invited to act as a robot for this machine, right? So we don't need that. You can just create any dummy variable, right? Put invite, then go to
सर
services.
इनवाइट कहाँ से किए हैं, एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए.
नीचे गया ना, वहाँ पे यूजर एंड ग्रुप, राइट. यहाँ पे इनवाइट यूजर क्लिक करो, यहाँ पे कुछ भी डॉमी नाम भरो, ठीक है.
डमी मतलब मैं फेक फेक कुछ
हाँ
भी डाल दूं.
फिर मैंने डाला ना, देखा ना, मैंने ये डाला ना ईमेल, क्या डाला मैंने, xyz.com, राइट. कुछ भी फेक डालो, कोई इशू नहीं है, ठीक है. अंडरस्टैंड, राइट. You can see that this is full name Sam17 and this thing, right? This is just a dummy name, correct? Right. So that's one thing you have to do. Then just a second, where we have to go. Not required, not required, right? So this is done, right? Once it's done, you have to go to tenant. Okay, go to tenant, click orchestrator here, or you can buy or say लेफ्ट साइड में orchestrator चूज कर सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है, ठीक है.
Sir, it is showing that email is not valid.
What?
Sir, it is showing that email is not valid.
See,
Dummy
wait,
email.
you have to format, give in a format like @ something like that.
कुछ भी दे.
Sir,
@
please show it once again.
So you can give anything. So if you see in the user group, this is my administrator. Okay, this one. So this one I have given Sam_17 xyz. So इसमें कुछ मतलब नहीं बनता है, ठीक है, just to create a dummy variable. Okay. So I'm telling my orchestrator this will act as an unattended robot for you. Okay. Now you can click here in orchestrator, go back to orchestrator. Right. Go back to orchestrator, go to tenant, right. See in machines. So it is showing your machines are there. This is your machine, right. You can check for users, what are the users you have. Okay, so we have these are the users we got. My robot should be showing here. Okay, क्या हो गया? Just a second, कहाँ गया? Just a second. Users.
Does the email have to be responded?
You can give an original email also, not an issue. External affiliation. where it is on. Has to show somewhere. So this is an inherent issue with this sockets. Whatever this cloud they have made, this is a very inherent issue with this cloud. This is supposed to show as a robot here in machine whenever you create. It's not even showing that user here. So just check in your go to tenant after creating, check here in machines. Is it the second one coming for you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Huh?
No, sir, not coming.
Sir, it is showing one of key.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's
Sir,
showing.
sir, one of two, sir.
Must be showing two. Is it showing two for you?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it is two, sir. Sir, I think we need to give a real email ID.
Not required. Just a second. Let me sign out and sign in again. Let me. Just a second. Let me log. Okay, let me log in with my kit because this has provided a little more flexibility and functionality. Okay. Oh, default tenant. So let me disconnect my orchestrator from here. Use the other orchestrator. This one. Orchestrator setting, default tenant, cute. Just a second. Tenant. See, if you see here, okay. Okay, what you can do? See, here also I have given sam underscore 21 at domain.com. Okay, so there is nothing problem in that because it so once you do that and go to orchestrator, that should be reflect here. Then we have to edit that one. So if you go to tenant and it should reflect like this. Okay. In machines, it should right. So you can see sam21 domain dot this one workspace right? So if I want, right.
ये आपने create किया machine या फिर
Now it had so once you create that setting, na, it should create automatically here.
Excuse me, sir.
User and group, yes.
Sir, in the robot session, we have to click on unattended sessions.
Mm-hmm.
So then it is showing five rows.
Where in machines?
So in the unattended session, in tenant
Which tab?
row.
Which tab?
So in the robot,
The
robot. Yes, sir. Unattended session.
it will
Yes,
show
sir.
this.
It is showing five rows.
That admin will be there, I think.
So no, there is two unattended, two testing and one deployment.
Two unattended.
Yes, sir. Two unattended.
Which one is?
This should I share my screen?
Just a second. Let me see. Okay, just let me. I'll go.
after we invite, then what we do?
Then it should reflect. You can share now.
Is my screen visible?
It's coming.
Yes. So it is showing unattended.
No, this is okay. This is yours. Yesterday you have created another testing. That is for testing. That is okay.
For today also it's showing 2 minutes ago.
Today by default it will showing. It will show na. This one I think you have created right now. The third one.
So in here it's showing two machines.
Yeah, it's for you. It is coming correctly. Actually, this should come. Right. That's the point.
Sir, how to remove the license? Like light is showing license attended. Then what we do?
What it is showing? License.
So license attended. Attended.
See, you are by default.
Sorry.
You will be attended robot. Okay, the administrator. Right. That means you are the admin which is working. But you have to create an unattended robot. That is the one who is going to run the robot for you. Okay. For that you have to create this dummy variable.
So I
Okay.
created one, but that is showing
Only one, right?
attended. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just let me figure it out. What happened? You have to.
Sir.
Just give me a second. Let me refer that document again. So, what's the process if I miss something?
ठीक कह रही है, मैं भी काफी अरसे से यही सोच रही हूँ, किससे करेंगे इसकी शादी?
अगर तुम मुझे कुछ समझती हो तो मैं अर्धवी और भोग को उस बंधन में बांधना चाहती हूँ।
इससे बेहतर और क्या हो सकता है हमारे? आपने तो मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली।
बहुत अच्छा होगा। मैं जानती हूँ कि बचपन से तुमने उसे पाला है, मगर मैं चाहती हूँ कि पहले तुम उसे पूछो। मुझे यकीन है कि वो मना नहीं करेगा।
मैं भी चाहती हूँ मैं भी पूछती हूँ।
Just a second. Okay, so there is a way around how to get past to the robot. Just give me a second. I need to test that on my Firefox, then I will share it. Okay, so let's do one thing. Okay, we will not use this one, what it is called, this robot method, right? Let's see. Without creating, we can use our standard workstation. So I'm again going to log this meeting. Some idiot is trying to.
Sir, you created this sam21@domain.com.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, you
Say,
created using admin or you.
yes, I did create it using admin. What I'm trying to tell you that I have tried multiple methods to make this license work connected. Okay, so it is still showing unlicensed, right? So here you see what it is showing. Use
Sir,
interact.
actually, I created using admin, but the name is not showing in the machine.
Yeah, that's the problem is
So what
happening.
should I do?
Actually this orchestrator has a lot of issues, right? Can you see? I told you now. Morning I have configured everything. Right now it is not creating the machine. Understand? So I am not even sure ki what is the problem going on in this particular orchestrator. What is the logic? Once you go and create a dummy variable, it should show in this place, right?
Yes, sir.
This should show, but it is not showing. So I'll do one thing. Let me delete everything from here. Let me delete and let's start again. Okay. I'll delete this robot and I'll start it and delete. Okay. I'll delete. I will go to orchestrator and delete all the domain names from there. So this orchestrator has some inherent issues. This is even UiPath. They also agreed that this has some issues which required debugging. Okay. So so I'll do one thing. I'll delete both these things. Okay. So I think it will not come now. If I refresh this. Unattended. So these are already configured sessions. So this is already created. This one should not be showing to me. Okay. So I will do one thing. I'll delete the user over here. Okay. I've deleted the user. Okay. So this one actually connected robot. So I have to disconnect from here. So disconnect. Now let me delete this one. Pending or running jobs. What the job it is running?
Is unlicensed, then the robot will not work.
If it is unlicensed, it is not going to communicate. That is the problem. Okay. So let me active job associated. What is this active job associated with this one? I'm
सर
not.
एडमिन में जो क्रिएट किया था वही है क्या?
So these are the jobs which I've actually run. Okay, I ran this one. So let me stop this first.
I guess all are stopped.
All are stopped, but I need to delete them. पूरा रात मेरा कल खत्म हो गया इससे तो. Now it's again same, go back to the default. Okay, let's see we can make another robot or not. Just monitor process pending jobs. So let's see. So anyone after created the dummy, can you able to see that something is coming in the machine?
No, sir.
No. So then do one thing, go to this admin, go to settings. Okay, so what, do one thing, go to tenant, go to this setting, right? Go to this setting, right? So here, go below. So do this one, disable this one. Okay, modern folder, right? Disable this one.
Can you show again?
It is already
सर
disabled.
ऑलरेडी वो डिसेबल्ड ही था.
You go to tenant, go to setting. If it is enabled, right? If it is enabled, this modern folders, disable it. Okay. Then go to this deployment, right? Not deployment, security, I think. It should come one option that authentication key has to be given. just everything was good with this software. Only this orchestrator is always this headache. Always this problem. Orchestrator. So,
सर अगर इसको कोई और ब्राउजर में यूज कर रहे हैं तो फिर तब भी होगा क्या?
ब्राउजर का इशू नहीं है, right?
ब्राउजर का नहीं है, अच्छा।
This has a proper process. If you miss one from somewhere, ना, it goes what पागल हो जाता है ये. That's the point. Just a second, let me create something. Domain.com. Okay. So you do not need to allocate license. It is unattended, so you do not require license for that. If it is attended only, then only you require a license. Okay. Okay. Then this one, let's then go to tenants, go to orchestrator, right? I'm going again by the process. So I have created that user there. Then I'll go to tenant. Then I'll go to just right. So here in users, edit this one. Okay, understand? अभी शो कर रहा है तुमको यूजर्स में ये वाला जो तुम लोग रोबोट क्रिएट किए, जो भी XYZ नेम देके.
No, sir.
In users also you are not able to see. Refresh that page. Refresh करो तो एक बार. After creating, are you
नहीं
able
सर,
to
नहीं शो कर रहा है।
last do?
No, we need to create the first user
It
group.
is showing automation.
sir.
First you have to
Not
create, go to admin. In user group you have to create one. Okay. Admin.
Yes, sir. Mr.
Then
Not.
user and groups. Invite users, right? Then you have to group, write this thing, right? Okay. जो भी तुमको लिखना है जैसा भी था, राइट? नेम, ईमेल आईडी कुछ भी रखो, ठीक है? देन गो टू ऑर्केस्ट्रेटर.
So there is showing allocate license. So we have to allocate, right?
Not required to allocate license. Go to tenant. Okay. Go to tenant, right? Once go to tenant, go to users. Okay. Refresh this one here. So refresh 2-3 बार करो, then probably it will be show like this, a robot. Click here, go to edit, right? Sam, surname, full name, right? So you show कर रहा है, कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है?
नहीं कर रहा है
नहीं
सर।
कर रहा सर, नहीं आ रहा सर।
किसी के तो ठीक है, एक ओरिजिनल ईमेल आईडी देके देखो तुम लोग का, किसी का डमी ईमेल आईडी होगा यूजर ग्रुप में यूजर क्रिएट करके।
सर आफ्टर
सर मैंने ओरिजिनल ईमेल आईडी दिया फिर भी सर मेरा शो नहीं कर रहा है।
वहाँ पे ओके करने के बाद यूजर्स में शो नहीं कर रहा है, टेनेंट क्लिक करके यूजर्स में जाओ।
नहीं सर नहीं दिखा सर, मैं रिफ्रेश किया 3-4 बार नहीं दिखा रहा है।
मैं वही
सर कौन सा
करूँ।
वाला जो एडमिन में जाके हम लोगों ने बनाया था
हाँ,
वही वाला ना?
हाँ,
हाँ
हाँ।
नहीं कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है सर।
नहीं कर रहा है show।
So
Yes, sir.
admin here user and groups, right? You are invite
ऐड यूजर कर सकते हैं क्या उसमें?
किसमें? ऐड नहीं, इसमें इनवाइट यूजर रहता है।
नहीं सर, मैं ऐड यूजर करने के बाद मेरा शो कर रहा है अभी
ऐड यूजर कहाँ ऐड किए?
सर, उसी में ऑर्केस्ट्रेटर में।
हाँ, अगर नहीं ऑर्केस्ट्रेटर में जाके यूजर ग्रुप में जाके ऐड किए क्या?
हाँ यस सर।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो भी कर सकते हो। अच्छा, अगर बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट में नहीं शो कर रहा है, गुड गुड। हाँ, वो पॉइंट में भूल गया था। अगर बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट शो नहीं कर रहा है then also you can do that thing. Yes, go to this tenant,
पर उसमें सर रोल क्या देना है, कुछ वो सब
हाँ
कुछ
वो
करना-
yes, see, go to tenant, go to users, add user, you can do add user here, add user or group, click
यस
here।
सर, ऐड यूजर से हो गया।
हाँ, ग्रुप नेम वो आ जाएगा शायद, उसमें क्या नाम था, सैम करके कुछ था ना? हाँ, सैम 1 करके। ओके,
कुछ भी डाल दूँ ना सर वहाँ पे,
नहीं
ग्रुप
नहीं
नेम और यूजर नेम?
नहीं, तुमने बनाया ना
वही डालना है।
ऑलरेडी,
अच्छा
बनाया
वही
ना?
डालना है सेम।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ
हाँ हाँ,
वो
फिर उसको
रिकमेंड कर देगा ऑलरेडी।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
रिकमेंड कर
वही-
देगा।
हाँ, तो ये वाला पेज आ रहा होगा ना यूजर सेटिंग्स में, ठीक है ना? यूजर नेम ये, ठीक है?
रोबोट बोल के नहीं आ रहा।
नहीं ठीक है, चलेगा रोबोट बना दो। तुम उसको ऐड करो, पहले ऐड करके वहाँ पे शो करो, फिर एडिट में जाओ।
स्टैंडर्ड ये वो जो नीचे सर कीजिए एक बार, स्टैंडर्ड वो था सर, ये पेज का जो नीचे सर
स्टैंडर्ड इंटरफेस,
स्टैंडर्ड इंटरफेस। ओके सर,
ओके,
फिर इंटरफेस रखना है या
स्टैंडर्ड। देन उसके बाद अनअटेंडेड रोबोट, यहाँ पे क्लिक करो इसके नीचे, ठीक है? ये सबसे
रोल में क्या सेलेक्ट करना है?
कहाँ पे? यूजर सेटिंग में बोल रहा है?
यूजर सेटिंग में
रोल है ना उसका, रोबोट है वो, ये रोबोट है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर थोड़ी है। ये रोबोट हम लोगों ने बनाया ना, ये डमी रोबोट हमारा काम करेगा जो, ठीक है?
ओके सर, ओके।
उसके बाद इसको क्लिक करो, इस अनअटेंडेड रोबोट, राइट? हाँ
सर वहाँ पे यूजर ग्रुप नेम देके सिर्फ ऐड करना है।
सर इसमें डोमेन नेम, फिर डोमेन या यूजर नेम अपने से देना है।
हाँ, वो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप है, रिमेन, ठीक है? ये तुम्हारा क्या करना है, ये बेसिकली तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर का लोकेशन देना है, तुम्हारा लैपटॉप जहाँ पे यूआईपाथ स्टूडियो रन कर रहा है, ठीक है? तो उसको देने के लिए सबसे आसान तरीका है, कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में जाओ, ठीक है? CMD पता है सबको ना, कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट? सर्च बार में कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट आ जाएगा, ठीक? जब वहाँ पे टाइप करो हु एम आई, ओके? सो जो आएगा दैट इज योर डोमेन नेम, उसको कॉपी करो, वहाँ पे पेस्ट करो, okay? That is the easiest one to do, okay? Rather than going else you can go to control panel and setting, user setting, there you can check it out, okay?
कहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है?
तो कॉपी यहाँ पे, डोमेन यहाँ पे, okay? So this is orchestrator database by default, okay? And this is your system's password, okay? login password, अगर पासवर्ड नहीं है you can leave it blank।
लैपटॉप का पासवर्ड सर यहाँ पे?
हाँ, लैपटॉप का पासवर्ड, अगर तुम्हारा नहीं है लैपटॉप में you can leave it।
तो सिक्योरिटी लैपटॉप का पासवर्ड दे रहे हैं वेबसाइट पे।
क्या कर रहे हो?
लैपटॉप का पासवर्ड दे रहे हैं वेबसाइट पे, तो कुछ रिस्क नहीं ना?
वेबसाइट तो तुम्ही ने लॉगिन किया ना उसको, तुम्हारा ही लॉगिन है।
सर उसके बाद अपडेट।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, उसके बाद ये क्रेडेंशियल टाइप
तो थोड़ा सा
विंडोज।
ऊपर करिए।
हाँ,
सर वो एक बार फिर से रिपीट कीजिए सर, वो डोमेन से।
डोमेन में ये कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट खोलना आता है, CMD, यहाँ पे जाओ, कमांड सर्च करो, ठीक है, कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट आ गया, वहाँ पे टाइप करो हु एम आई, WHO, WHO, AMI, ठीक है। देन ये आएगा, इसको Ctrl+C सिलेक्ट करके Ctrl+C, ठीक है, सिलेक्ट करो Ctrl+C और यहाँ पे लाके Ctrl+V, और यहाँ पे ऑर्केस्ट्रेटेड डेटाबेस एज इट इज, पासवर्ड इज योर लैपटॉप्स पासवर्ड, इफ देयर इज नो पासवर्ड इन योर लैपटॉप यू कैन लीव इट, right? Credential is Windows credentials, right? Then you can see that do not consume a license in unattended mode. Okay, so this is an unattended robot you are using, right? We are not creating attended robot, so we are creating an unattended robot, so it is not going to consume any license for us. Okay, right? Then go to robot setting, right, and allocate the last one, this one, auto download process.
सर उसको डिसेबल करना था क्या?
इसको
डिसेबल कंकरेंट एग्जीक्यूशन पे क्लिक करना था क्या?
नहीं, कीप इट एज इट, नॉट डू नॉट।
सर ऑटो डाउनलोड को यस करना है या
नो
सिर्फ
नो नो
वही
नो
slide?
नो, जस्ट टगल स्विच ऑन करके छोड़ दो। ओके,
Then अपडेट।
सेटिंग्स में क्या करना है, रोबोट से लास्ट में जो
रोबोट सेटिंग में लास्ट वन को खाली क्लिक करके रखो, ये सर जैसे है,
देन अपडेट।
देन अपडेट। मेरा ऑलरेडी अपडेटेड है, तो शायद नाउ यू कैन सी दैट।
सर अगर वो पासवर्ड नहीं होगा लैपटॉप में तो क्या करना है?
लीव इट ब्लैंक।
ओके
Sir, still it is blank as role in roles.
रिफ्रेश इट वंस,
Sir, blank.
but check in permissions what it is given. Is it coming like this?
Sir,
Is it coming? Check in permissions. Is it showing robot something like this?
No roles found.
Okay, edit, check all the one. Okay, username it's showing, name, email address. You have to choose roles here. Have you chosen the roles?
Sir, email address.
परमिशन में क्या दिखाना चाहिए सर?
एक सेकंड, मैं एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता हूँ उसके बाद।
Sir.
हाँ, so
Sir, we
user
have to
setting,
click on robot.
yes, you have to tick on robot.
Then sir, it is showing mixed. So at the
No,
end.
no, it will come like, yeah, this is okay, this is mixed means this robot can perform administration work.
Update. Yes, sir, it is showing robot.
Yeah,
सर एक बार अपना चेक परमिशन शो करिए ना सर।
आ गया ऐसा, ये दोनों आना चाहिए, ठीक है।
सर यूआई प्रोफाइल को क्या रखना है, स्टैंडर्ड?
राफेल स्टैंडर्ड। ओके,
उसके बाद क्या रोबोट से कनेक्ट करना है सर, नया जो प्रोफाइल बनना है।
एंड सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है क्या बोल रहे?
फिर लास्ट वाला पार्ट क्या था सर? अपडेट करना है?
वो
Update,
कनेक्ट करना है सर सैम 21 को रोबोट से।
ऑलरेडी रोबोट हो जाएगा ना वो, तुम रोल दोगे तो अभी ये रोबोट को कनेक्ट करना है हमको, ठीक है। यू सी द प्रोफाइल, सो इट्स ऑन समथिंग लाइक दिस।
सर एक स्टेप बैक जाइएगा, कौन सा वाला?
View permission, check permission. Is it coming like this? Then it is okay. Okay. Now, abhi, if you go to after this user, if you go to robots, so
सर वो नहीं आ रहा है।
So you'll see one robot will be created here. क्या करने आ रहा है?
सर वो चेक परमिशन करके सर वो वैसा नहीं आ रहा है सर,
क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? क्या आ रहा
वो
है?
रोबोट दिखा रहा है बस।
हाँ वो ठीक है ना, वो चलेगा, कोई इशू नहीं। ठीक है, अभी रोबोट्स में जाओ, ये रोबोट्स में रोबोट शो कर रहा है अनअटेंडेड करके, ये वाला।
Yes sir.
हाँ, तो देन इट इज ओके, फाइन। Then do one thing, go to this folder. Okay, go to this folder. Okay, create a folder by pressing, right? Press this one. So suppose this will create something called testing folder, right? आज it is just नाम दो और कुछ मत दो, right? If you want to do on any description you can do it. Okay, then create.
So just have to create it.
Yeah, just have to create it. Yes. Okay, so once you created this test now, right? So assign user group. Okay, assign user group, you can see this SAM 21 which one created. Okay, or SAM 1 whatever I have created that time. Okay, understand? Right, I have already created one here, right? So
Sir,
there
in the
is,
roles we have to select administrate a robot again.
yeah, so if you go to edit, so you have to, sorry, you have to add this group, that robot to your folder. That's what. Understand? Assign user group. Whatever user you have created now, you have to assign that one. Okay.
Sir, in the folder test ना,
हाँ.
test folder.
Yeah, just let me एक बार और बना देता हूँ. वो वाला बनाया तो था मैंने एक्स्ट्रा रोबोट SAM 1 करके. Robots. Who is this Rakesh idiot? So, every time. That's why I logged this meeting.
So please log this meeting.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You need to remove this guy first. Right, so I have created again, I have just created the second robot which I have created. So robot 1, okay, allow web login and everything the same, no changing. Then unattended robot, so automatically create an unattended no more. So domain name I can copy paste, password I can give. Okay, that's my password. So this is the Windows credentials, right? Then I can go to robot setting, same. Auto download, then I will add it. Submit work. Sorry, I have already created one robot, so it's there. I don't. It's one license now, so I cannot create multiple. I just have to.
Yes.
So I have multiple robots I cannot create. I have only one license. Okay, so I have already created one unattended robot here. Okay, so I need to delete this guy. Unassign. Okay. Yes, bolo.
Sir, in the folder option, after while assigning user, we have to select the role as robot.
Yes, yes. Which job
सर
it is?
जो हम फोल्डर बनाए उधर पे हमको वो रोबोट को असाइन करना है, शेयर्ड वाले में नहीं जो पहले से बना हुआ था।
नहीं, शेयर्ड वाले में इशू हो रहा है, ठीक है। शेयर्ड वाले में मत करो, वो इशू दे रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही इशू दे रहा है। ठीक है, एक स्पेसिफिक फोल्डर कर दो, उसमें तुम्हारा वो रोबोट को ऐड कर दो। ठीक है, अभी देखो जाके तुम्हारा यूआई पाथ में अभी कनेक्शन रिफ्रेश करके एक बार, या फिर डिस्कनेक्ट करके कनेक्ट करो, वेदर इट इज शोइंग दिस थिंग और नॉट। यस बोलो।
सर वो मशीन कोड में कौन सा दे रहे हैं? जो पहले दिन दिया था वही
या
मशीन की?
हाँ 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 हाँ, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा ना तुम्हारा।
सर मशीन की कौन सा वाला
सर मशीन आया नहीं सर।
कल वाला क्लास में दिखाया था ना, मशीन्स में जाओगे तो ये वाला तुम लोग कल बनाए थे ना इसको।
सर वो तो एक अपना जो यूआई पाथ का नेम से 2 आया है बेसिकली, जो सैम में बनाया हो वो तो आया नहीं सर मशीन्स में।
तो रिफ्रेश करो, आ जाएगा अभी।
सर जो न्यू वाला अभी बनाया वही मशीन की वहां पर पेस्ट करना है?
हाँ, नहीं 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 नहीं, जो तुम्हारा ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड है ना ये वाला, देखो ये जो लास्ट क्लास बनाए थे, ये तुम्हारा मेरा लैपटॉप का नाम है, ठीक है। ये वाला जो बनाया था उसको ऐसा ही रहने दो, उसको चेंज मत कर, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
उसको चेंज मत करो, उसको ऐसा ही कनेक्शन रहने दो। नाउ जस्ट सी कि वेदर इट इज शोइंग लाइसेंस्ड और नॉट अनलाइसेंस्ड। फॉर मी इट इज अनलाइसेंस्ड बिकॉज आई हैव डन a goof up, I have to delete everything and start. For you, is it showing this one licensed and connected? Anyone?
Licensed.
Connected, it's showing after creating the robot.
Connected, it's showing.
Yeah, it's showing, right? Na?
Unlicensed.
Connected, it is showing, or licensed or unlicensed?
Unlicensed for me.
Connected is showing on the orchestra settings, sir. But unlicensed is showing on the robot part.
No, is it showing unlicensed or licensed? That's what I'm asking.
Unlicensed. Unlicensed.
After
Unlicensed,
robot,
sir.
after robot creation, it should show license. So let's just go to that. What's the error has been pinged? Safety. Okay. As per UiPath, so that once you created the robot and assigned it to a group, it should just a second. Let me just try to delete this job. What if there is some error with my process which I have run, and this process is creating some kind of error. There is no process. That is. So there is no job. So what's the problem with that? I'm supposed to delete these two robots. Why it is not going?
सर आई थिंक जो हम लोगों ने कल किया था वो उसका लिंक नहीं ना बन रहा आज वाला जो हमने किया है एडमिन में जाके, तो शायद उसके वजह से हो रहा है।
नहीं लिंक सेम है, देखो ऊपर
लिंक सेम ही रहेगा, लिंक थोड़ी ना चेंज हुआ।
लिंक सेम।
अच्छा हाँ
लिंक सेम ही है। नो दैट ये इसका प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है। So it's not my issue. You go and search in Google, whether you will get thousands of questions, no answers. Okay, that's the problem. This thing, this orchestrator issue. Other problem you can have a solution for that, but this orchestrator have lot many issues. The robot has a pending or running job but cannot be deleted. Why? So there is no pending job. Then also it is also. Let me sign out and log in again. See, there is no process here. Nothing is running. Still the robots are being showing. I hope this time this got deleted.
सर जो हम लोग को लिंक कॉपी करना था वो ऑर्केस्ट्रेटर तक करना था ना, उसका बैकस्लैश तो नहीं लेना था।
नहीं। You
वहां
can
तक
copy यहाँ तक ऑर्केस्ट्रेटर की जरूरत ही नहीं है, डिफॉल्ट टेनेंट तक कॉपी
टेलनेट
और
टेलनेट
तो डिफॉल्ट टेनेंट का बैकस्लैश तक ही लेना है ना सर?
हाँ यहाँ तक वो
नहीं,
ऑटोमेटिक
अच्छा,
बैकस्लैश भी नहीं लेना
बैकस्लैश नहीं
उसका।
लेना है।
बैकस्लैश नहीं
नहीं,
लेना है, बैकस्लैश नहीं लेना।
टेनेंट की लास्ट टी तक लेना है बस।
ठीक है।
I have deleted that one from machine. Let me try to delete from folder. Okay, here in folder it is showing one process. Okay. Active jobs. What is this? Jobs which are active. Just a second. Let me start and see whether they are working actually or not.
सर लेवल ट्रेस कर रहा था क्या?
Do one thing. Okay, so this is creating a huge lot of problems. So basically what happened, let me tell you the process. What is the process? Then what I will do, I will record the whole process using screen recorder again. I will delete everything and I will start recording and I will upload that one. You can refer that. Okay, so as per the process, right, once you've created the robot, right, once you created the robot, right, that should this UiPath, this section, and will show us licensed and connected. Okay, so I'll try one last time. I will try to delete the default tenant itself. Okay, I'll create another tenant. This has been done, but what's the problem? You know what happened? The robot which I have created previously, it is showing that robot is running. Okay, that process is running and it's not letting me create a new robot and establish a connection. That robots need to stop now. Okay, the issue is here. Okay, select all process. I think I can be able to delete now. Yeah, that's the problem happened. So 3 unused process which I have tested and I have not run. I have created those processes, but I have not run. That's why it was showing that it is having an error. Oh, then tenant. I'll do one thing. I will go to this. Just remove that one. I think it will be removed. Yes, it is removed now. Now I will add user, which the user which I created just now. Right, that Sam1. Yes, Sam1 role which is robot. Okay. Okay. Add. Right. Sorry, I have to edit. So it is going to be unattended robot. Right. So a password I have to give. Okay. So Windows credential, and next in robot setting I have to upload auto download update. Right. So I'm able to get this one. Right. Now once I get this one, let me check with my robots. Right. Yes. So I'm getting this one, which is an unattended robot. Okay. Now I will go to my workspace right here in the folder which I've created. Right. Sorry, my folders. I will add users to this. So username you can write Sam1, whatever that one. Sam1 robot. It is going to be a robot. Okay. Then I will assign it to it. Right. Now let me check whether the license came. Okay. So this one has been done, this process, and this everything has been created. Then go to machines. Machine is also showing correct. Right. So let me open UiPath for a second. I will check that whether the orchestrator is running or not. Have to go to tenant. Then I have to go to settings. Here so enable personal workspace, so just click everything. Okay, enable it.
We have to click on personal or standard.
Leave it, not required. I think it's not taking. With single license you have default standard. Enable user machine mapping, classic folders. So once you have created the robot, right, so how to publish that thing? Now you will create any process here, right? So here I have created a simple process called message box printing, right? So here you have to press publish. Okay, so yes, very good. Use interactive login. Now I have to search it where this interactive login click is there in the settings. Okay, just check it every this one where this this interactive login, if you are able to find it out, check, tell me. In the setting, just in tenant setting, just check it out. Are you able to? Sorry.
Sir, I think this is in the settings box.
Are you getting somewhere this? This is license. In settings, are you able to getting somewhere this called user interactive login, or are you
In the
getting?
settings, there is a modern folder. It is showing enable user mapping.
No, not that one. See, somewhere you see authentication. Anywhere are you able to find out authentication written somewhere? Okay, here, go to security. Okay, this one will solve the problem. Go to security, everyone, in tenant setting. Make it 1. Okay,
Yes, save.
then save it. Okay, and disable this one. Okay, disable the second one. After saving, only keep this one. Okay, I think after that, I think I will be able to get the connection. Yes, refresh it. Done it?
No, sir, it's still showing unlicensed.
No, refresh it. Click
Sir,
refresh.
it's showing licensed.
Mine is showing connected licensed.
Yeah, that's done. Once you have done this, now this will come.
Yes, sir.
It will show like this.
We need to delete all those SAMs, those robots.
What?
Sir, we created an unattended robot, so
No,
we need
you don't have to
delete
delete.
them.
No. If you delete that one, this is again will be unlicensed. Okay. No.
Sir, it's showing licensed now.
That is, so once you created unlicensed, then you have to create this one. Okay, change this one. Okay. Mine actually problem happened because mine robot got corrupted. I have given something wrong instruction. It was not performing. That's why I have to delete. Okay, understood?
Sir, still it is showing unlicensed.
After doing
Yes,
this
sir.
this step,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
refreshes, else disconnect, connect again, or
Yes, sir. Done.
refresh, because it should come. इसके आगे और प्रोसेस है ही नहीं. ठीक है.
So this is the same for the community version. Right. Where
No,
unattended robot.
which one? This one?
These things that we are doing, it's like it's the same way for community version if we want to make an unattended.
Yes. This is only this academic alliance, nothing but community edition plus some license for 1 year, nothing else. Okay, the same thing. Okay, so once you're done, then it will be showing the connected and license. When it is done, then your major problem is over. Okay, now what you have to do, let me go to this one. I need to delete it.
Sir, still it is showing unlicensed. What can I do?
Unlicensed, मतलब
Yes.
after you go to tenant, change the setting.
And after refreshing the orchestra
So,
box.
do one thing, quit this one, right click, quit. Okay, restart, check.
Okay.
Maybe sometime it happened because of network issues. Okay, so what happened now, if you remember that we have created the connection as established, right? Now how to send your program to the orchestrator. Okay, so this is the click. So once you created any program here, right, or any robot here, you have to click publish. Once you click publish, this tab will open. Okay, keep it as it is, nothing, do not change anything. Okay, so do not change anything, keep this one as it is. Okay,
So then just you have to publish.
Just publish, right? So now this orchestrator and custom. So custom means suppose you have brought this UiPath browser and you have sorry UiPath from our UiPath Studio, and you have created your own custom cloud, right? Then you can use those custom URL and everything. Okay, but right now we are using the free orchestrator cloud, so we are going to click orchestrator, and you have to check version. So suppose you want to use the new version or something, you can rename it according to your choice, right? Then simply publish. So and wait whether this one is coming or not. If this is not coming, then it is not published. Remember this thing. Understand? So project published successfully, name test, right? Done. Okay, then what you have to do now, this you have to go to this your folders, right? And folders and see whether there is a process available or not. No, the process is not available. Now what I can check in here in tenant, you can click tenant and you
So
will
can
go to
you use process for publishing? Like we need to create a message box and publish.
First you'll right, you will click publish, right? You'll get this page, right? Then click publish. Okay, I have clicked publish. Now we'll see whether this message box is appearing or not. If it is appearing, it is okay. Understand? Huh? What? सुनने नहीं दे रहा बोलो.
Yes, I just published.
Yes.
Successfully.
Then you click it OK and go to your orchestrator, right? Orchestrator, click on tenant and see in the packages. Okay, so I have published this one, test, right? Correct. So it must be showing whatever you have done. It must be showing
Yes,
here.
sir, it is showing first bot.
Whatever your program is, it will be showing here, right? In packages, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to go to this works folder you have created, right? Okay, so you'll see whether there is any process is running or not. So I will click on the process, right? There is no process right now, right? Else you check in my workspace whether any process is available. No process is available. So previously what was happening in UiPath last year's version, whenever you upload a process package, it will automatically getting reflected in here in my workspace, right? But it is not reflecting here. So I'll do one thing, I'll go to here, right? I'll add a process. So package selected, see which package you want to see. So I want to see the test package, right? Test one is here, right? So package version are also there. I have multiple time I have uploaded. So any package version will be there, right?
It is showing no result found in the package source.
So by default is showing published my package source name.
What it is showing?
Published, not test. I think that's not an issue.
So have you given your robot access to your folder? And your uploaded one is successfully uploaded?
Uploaded successfully, the message box showing. Now it's showing publish, not test.
No, I am not going to do anything. I'm telling you, is it this notification came, right? Published karke. After doing this came, right?
सर पब्लिश करके आया था नोटिफिकेशन.
हाँ, तो फिर अभी जाके पैकेज में चेक करो टेनेंट
में आया था सर.
हाँ, then go to tenant, check package here. Is it showing the process name whatever you have uploaded? In the package, if it is showing, then it is uploaded successfully.
Sir, about the package one, we have to do that in the folder we have created.
No. Package will be shown in the my folder. If you click, or tenant also if you click, it will be showing.
No, sir,
Just as
not that much.
बोलो.
Sir, I was asking about the in the my workplace you are assigning a process, huh?
No, I'm not working my workspace. I'm in the folder I created. I am assigning there.
In that
Yes, sir,
folder
it's
only
showing.
you have to add the process.
Yes. In package, if it is showing, then your this thing is uploaded correctly.
Yes, sir,
Sir,
my showing, sir.
Then you have to go to your folder which you have created, right? Right. In folder. So I have created this folder. Remember.
Sir,
Then
how
you
to
have
create this folder?
this I have told in the starting. How to create a folder. Wait. Go to tenant. Go to home. Okay, not tenant. Go to home. No, sorry. This orchestrator. Okay. Click on the orchestrator. Right. Here you have to go to, sorry, it's my bad, tenant. Sorry, go to tenant. Here, folders. Click folders. Here, new folder. Right. This folder I want to delete. Remove. Okay. Okay. So suppose I have to create new folder. Okay. New folder. Give a name. Suppose test one. Then publish. Right. Once the folder is created, it will be showcase here. Once this folder is created, you have to assign the user group. By default, your machine is a user, that is your administrator. Then you have to assign that robot which is going to run your program. Okay, so assign user group or name. So my robot name was Sam1. Okay, Sam1. Okay, so role you have to select. The role is robot. You have to select. Then you have to assign. Okay, once you assign your packages and everything, whatever you upload from UiPath, it is dedicated to your folder. So similarly, I have created the same thing, Sambit folder. Okay, the same thing. Okay, then what you have to go here, you have to go to this Sambit folder here, or your whatever you name you have given, you have to go to that folder. Then you have to click process. So by default, the process will not be running over here. Okay, by default, the process will not be running over here. So you have to add one process. Add process. So once you add, this page will appear. So you have to choose the package, which package you have chosen. So I have uploaded these two packages. One is screen scraping, one is test. So test I have selected, right? Then package version, if you have uploaded multiple times, I have first show you I have uploaded 5 times. So the package is showing 1.1 to 1.05, right? Then runtime arguments default, then click continue, right? One display name. So if left empty, test will be used. So I am not going to change it. So by default, the test will be showcasing. Description blank process, no change. So job priority normal. So what happens sometimes, suppose your orchestrator is running multiple robots. So you have to set the priority, which robots will run first, which robot will run on priority basis. So there is priority levels are there, high, normal and low. Right. So if it is low, then it will use lesser lesser server space. If it is high, it will use more server bandwidth to execute. Normal is the whatever the normally allocated bandwidth to the server bandwidth will be there, that will be done. Then if you click this process cannot be stopped from UiPath Assistant, then you cannot close this process from your robot. Okay. And automatically start the process whenever your robot will run, this process will automatically will start. That I don't want, right? Then you have to what, once this process is done, then you have to create it, right? Once you create, you'll see automatically automation tab, this process will be visible. Now let's go to our UiPath robot and see. Are you able to see it? Anyone just give me a confirmation, anybody able to do the process?
No, sir.
Just try it then.
So I have refreshed it, but still it is not showing.
No,
Same, sir.
is it showing here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. It
sir.
is showing there.
After creating the process.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then click here, just start a job. Are you able to see this one?
Yes, sir. I have clicked there. It is asking for how many times and a user and all.
So this page is coming, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the user is, if you click, you will get your this thing, machine and machine name you will get,
Yes, sir.
right? Then you can click start. Command is sent.
Yes, sir.
Then now refresh this page.
दिखे
आ रहा है?
सर
हाँ.
No, sir. It is still not showing.
It should show here. Then you have to click it, right? Then if I click, so you can see that the message is popped, the test the opera. Now let's see interesting thing. This is UiPath. I close this UiPath.
Mine is not creating, sir.
Just let me showcase you, then I will discuss one by one. I have closed the UiPath. Okay. I have closed the UiPath, right? Now you can see I have just opened the robot over here. Now I'll just click it. So you'll see now it is not communicating with the UiPath. It is communicating with my orchestrator, right? Once I stop over here, right, you can see how many jobs we have done, right? So we have successfully executed these 2 jobs, right?
Sir, mine is showing, sir, green tick in the process. After that, what to do?
So that means the command is sent from orchestrator. So is it showing connected license?
Yes, sir, connected license.
Refresh it here. So it should come like this. Available process.
Not coming, sir.
Then do one thing.
सुन आई गेस सर वो मशीन में जाके ना हमें अपना जो हमारे पास सर 2 मशीन, एक स्टैंडर्ड एक टेम्पलेट है, तो सर हमें ना ये स्टैंडर्ड वाला सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा.
वो अगर सिलेक्ट नहीं करोगे तो कनेक्शन दिखाएगा ही नहीं.
मेरा भी सेम इशू होता, तो मैंने वहां पे जब सिलेक्ट किया उसको तो सब वहां पे दिखाने लग गया बिना मतलब यहाँ से स्टार्ट किए. जैसे आपका दिखा सर वैसे मेरा दिखाने लग गया वहां पे.
सर आपको क्या यहाँ पे स्टार्टर जॉब करना है सर, जो टेस्ट वेबसाइट में?
यहाँ पे स्टार्टर जॉब कहाँ पे तुम बोल रहे हो? यहाँ पे व्हाट यू
मैं बोल रहा था कि सर मेरा ये दिखा रहा है ग्रीन टिक, ये पब्लिश में नाम है, पब्लिश नेम क्या हो, तो वो दिखा रहा है सर नॉर्मल प्रोसेस डिफॉल्ट. देन क्या करना है वही पूछ रहा था.
Then click this one.
And then start.
Then you have to choose this one, na? This users machine. Are you able to see this machine?
मशीन में मेरा कुछ शो नहीं कर रहा है सर.
सर वही सर मशीन वहाँ पे जो बाजू में आइकन है ना उस पे क्लिक करो, वहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करो. हाँ, यहाँ पे ये सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. अब फिर तुम्हारा वहाँ पे UiPath के रोबोट में भी प्रोसेस शो हो जाएगा.
मतलब we have to assign the 180.
Yes sir, now showing sir. Thank you.
So once it is shown now, then you can run the process from anywhere using this UiPath robot from any system. Okay. Now another thing just to show. Now suppose you want to give any trigger to this one, you can add a trigger. Okay. So you can schedule a recurrent time to start a job. Okay.
Or sir, one doubt, sir. How to run this now in the UiPath robot? It's showing. So now what?
यहाँ पे एक डाउनलोड वाला सिंबल आ रहा होगा, उसको क्लिक करो. क्लिक किया, उसके बाद प्ले बटन दबाओ.
Yes sir, showing. Yes sir.
अभी प्रोसेस रन करना. फाइनली डन. या
बाबा बाबा सबसे पहले बता दूं, बैटल ग्राउंड्स मोबाइल इंडिया जो है वो सेम टू सेम PUBG मोबाइल जैसा ही है, उसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं है.
आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू. व्हाट is it done for you?
Yes sir, done sir.
So once it is done, you can, so suppose you want to add one trigger, now you can click and give a trigger, schedule time, right? So when you want to give a name and you have to give a time, right? Which time, which process, which minute or hourly it has to run, right? All this you can give and start this thing and add it. So whenever that criteria is met, the robot will automatically will run. Okay. Understand? So this is called creating a trigger. So you can explore much more in this orchestrator, but the thing is that you can only create one robot. Okay, so every time you cannot create multiple robots because the license allows only one robot. So you want to do test one new process, you can test on this same process. So multiple process testing is this thing, but multiple robot running. So suppose I want to
चेंज हो जाए तो बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि इसमें ये बहुत इजी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। तो ये भी उन्होंने चीजें दी है। इंडिया में अगर आप ये गेम खेलेंगे तो ऐसे पॉपअप्स आपको आते रहेंगे, ताकि आप लिमिटेड खेलिए और अपने हेड का भी ख्याल रखें। ओके, गेम प्ले दोस्तों देखेंगे तो एकदम सिंपल है, स्मूथ है।
Okay, so what happened? So you can use multiple processes here, but we cannot use multiple bots to start different processes. That's the process. So we can do only one process just to showcase. Okay, so this is all for orchestration setting. So tomorrow class we can dedicate, tomorrow the last one, we can dedicate for any doubt you have. Okay, I have taken the attendance from the screenshot, don't worry. Okay, I have taken the screenshot to put the attendance. So just practice it. So the process, you remember, the process is a little trickier. Okay, and but if you मतलब मार्केट में ये ऑर्केस्ट्रेशन सेटिंग का बहुत डिमांड है, ठीक है. ह्यूज डिमांड इन मार्केट्स फॉर दिस क्लाउड सेटअप्स. Okay, so you can see this is not that easy. Even I have tested this orchestration with Amazon. It's like almost biting a nail and try to bend it out. It's that difficult. Okay, but it's worth trying. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow. If you have any doubt, you can ask. This is the orchestration, is the last part of the UiPath automation for your, and I hope you all are completing your certification from there. That is the important one. Okay, I urge everyone.
What is the last date of the certification part?
I matlab sincerely tell to complete by June end. Okay, 30th June, because after 7 July that course is going to be obsolete. They are going to change. 30th June to 7 July वो लोग बोले हैं मुझे लास्ट दिस थिंग, बट नियाज ने बोला जो UiPath का कनेक्टर है, वो बोला कि टेल योर स्टूडेंट टू कंप्लीट बाय 7 July, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू बेटर थर्ड ईयर से कंप्लीटेड बाय 30th June. इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू गेट अ सर्टिफिकेशन ऑन योर CV. Okay guys.
Sir. Attendance.
I have taken the screenshot.
Sir.